Hey guys, so what are we doing? We're doing part two. So you guys remember I told you I was going to find some boots that I had and I was going to do the fur to match the coat. So I already had these boots sitting in there that I did these rhinestones on them a while ago, and I'm like, these will be perfect. So guys, I got this one and I'm getting started on it. So if you guys see, I unlaced the front and I just took this part, glued it down, and then also I take it, fold it over, and glue it down there as well. So now guys, we're just gonna finish putting this together. So we're gonna take this piece and put it down like so, like that. Okay, so let me get my glue sticks and stuff ready. And so yeah, there we go guys, we're gonna do this. So I just take the glue, put it down. So I'm squeezing it together so they don't be so wide at the bottom. So if you guys see. And guys, remember when you get this glue, guys, get the glue that's good for fabric. Get the glue that's good for fabric, because a lot of this glue stuff will come out. So then I take this part, and guys, don't make the boot too tight. So when you do it, don't pull and make the boot tight. So I do it up there at the top, and then we're just gonna curve it over, and therefore it has a nice. So when you're looking down on the boot, you guys see, it looks like that, and it's gonna keep you a lot warmer. So this side, okay, this side. So it's just real simple, real easy, guys. Nothing too major. So now squeeze it in so they don't be so fat right there at that part. And at the same time, guys, do not make your boot smaller. So remember, we're trying to keep it where we're not making the boot smaller. Okay? And the final piece, guys, is the back piece. So, final piece is the back piece. So up, we're gonna do it from there. So, yes. So just even it out real good, guys. And right there. So then we're gonna mingle that up in there. So yeah, it's just real simple, guys. So I'm gonna just keep doing this, guys. In the next video, I'm gonna try all the pieces on that I made and show you guys what it looked like. I don't want to run out of space. So I'm just gonna keep mending it together. And when you get right here to a seam, guys, I kind of be tucking that so it could be seamless. So yes. So okay, guys, I'll come back with them on. Hey guys, so if you guys see the finishing results, y'all see my boots? Let me sit right here, guys. You guys can see. You guys see them? Look at them, guys. They're so cute. And I also did a headband, guys. Let me try to put it up. Up. I actually got enough fur I can do some gloves. So it's a certain way I want to wear this headband. Put the little black piece right there. And the only thing I need is a hook and eye. And I'll have to go to the other fabric store and get that. So if you want to wear them all together, if it's cold. And see, there you go, guys. Like that. But it's all about the boots, guys. So when it's really cold, you can wear the headband as well. And then all these I did just do using a glue gun. I didn't sew any of these. So if you guys want to know how to make this headband, follow my video on YouTube. If you're watching on Instagram, go to A. Marie Lace Wigs and put in the headbands, and you will see how to make it. And this one was made with all glue gun. No sewing. The other one, I think I sewed. But there you go, guys. These boots are amazingly gorgeous, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Hi guys, here's the finished results of the boots. And also guys, I also made a headband. But yes guys, you guys can the boots I previously did the rhinestones on, so I just thought that this would bring it out, and now I have something to wear with the jacket. But you guys have an awesome day, and this was all done with the E6000 for the stone and the hot glue gun. So as always guys, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have an awesome day. And the fur, guys, you can find online or in your local fabric store. Thank you guys. Bye bye.